Hi, welcome to this video clip. You've clicked on here to explore the content for eyebrow waxing and shaping. You may be transitioning from using a strip wax on the face area into using peelable wax, and this video is really going to help already qualified technicians with some helpful hints and tips on how to work with peelable wax to achieve that perfect eyebrow shape. There's also some content in there to show you how to integrate tweezing into your practice and how to get some symmetry with the brow, how to observe the brow slightly differently to make sure that the shape is even between the brows. We're going to also go over some theory that you may not have used for a while, just to help integrate that knowledge of how to reduce causing any skin traumas such as skin lifting or bruising. We'll look at some general techniques on stretching the brow so that we keep the process as safe as possible for the skin. There is a short quiz at the end of the video just to test and measure your knowledge, and there is a certificate of completion once you have completed.